Merry Christmas. Let's get in here. I feel like all my cars are very uncomfortable to get in. With the GT500, the bucket seats make it very uncomfortable to get in. This, I need a goddamn ladder to get in here. I gotta start picking better cars to buy. How about a quick pull? Second gear, 40! Oh my God! Jesus Christ! I can't believe it's a truck doing this. Like, why is this pull here? Like, I just don't understand it. But anyways, yeah, now we gotta feed the bees. So I think I figured out why they have this right here. It's because they don't want people to crash into the pump. But anyways, we're at $31. It'll probably fill up for $90. It is so damn cold here. I literally went from 75-degree weather to like 20-degree weather. And that was only $80, but I think something is wrong with this pump because every time I come, it literally stops at $80, even if my truck is not filled up. I think I gotta like manually do it or like reinsert my card. I think, I don't know what it is, but it stops at 80 every time. All right, we gotta do this all over again because I don't know what's wrong with this pump. So we literally gotta fill the rest of the truck up now. Yeah, this is the weirdest E85 pump I've ever encountered. So if we count the 80 plus this, we're at 95. So almost $96 to fill this damn truck up. Like really, while it's on E85, do you guys see what I mean? This truck is not practical at all. But it sure as hell sounds good. Alrighty. You bitch. You got my camera wet. Do you think I have a fucking waterproof camera?
I just think
Give me a rag.
I think you have enough money to buy like 5
Give me a rag. What's up, my good friend? I can't believe he sprayed the whole camera with water. Oh my God. At least you gave me a green one. Let's clean this thing. All right, I think we're good, right? Yeah, we're good. We're back in business. I can't believe it, Nick. You almost messed up my camera, but here's the GT500. How's it looking? How's it looking?
Better than it came in.
Right? So he did the roof, and I don't know. It's hard to show on camera, but do you want to just explain what you did for them?
To be honest, I hit it with a cut, so I used like a 6-inch microfiber pad, and I used an ultra cut compound, and I used like an ultra finishing pad, and I hit it with ultra finishing polish, so it gives it a really nice shine after. And Ron he takes good care of his cars, so once this is done, it's gonna get a bit of love to it, and I know he'll take care of it and make it last.
And you're also ceramic coating, right? 5-year ceramic coating?
I'm gonna put a 5-year coating on it, so Ron will take care of it. I'm not worried about that, you know, so I know he'll keep it looking good.
But anyways, guys, basically what I'm doing, I know this might be confusing for some of you guys. So everything he just said, I'm gonna explain it in dumbed down words. He is basically removing every scratch on this car and then putting ceramic coating, which is like a very thin layer, which is it's liquid, and you rub it on and it sticks to your clear coat, like he said, and basically makes it easier for you to wash your car, or like if it gets, what would you say, little tiny scratches maybe?
It's scratch resistant, makes your car easier to wash, it's very hydrophobic, and it'll help keep it cleaner for longer, and it'll protect your paint from the sun, so you like avoid clear coat.
Right. So let me update you guys on the G-Wagon. It is coming along, and it's actually almost done. So this car was originally black, and now it's this like sand tan color, and it actually looks really, really good on it. And as you can see, the door handles were removed. Everything was removed. Even this light was removed, and it was wrapped under it. You know, those other shops just wrap around it. So that's the difference between coming to Motor City Whips and going to those other shops. They don't even remove your door handles. All right, Nick, I'll see you. I'll be back tomorrow.
You'll see me when you see me.
I'll be back tomorrow because I got to show you guys the next thing we're doing to the GT500. So it's gonna be a few things we're gonna be doing to the GT500 all in this video until we are done with it, and then we got some more stuff.
They're gonna be so surprised that you just came to Michigan.
Yeah, I literally shipped this car back and dropped it off literally next day here, and it's been a few days and it hasn't left. But anyways, we're gonna say bye to the car and we'll be back tomorrow morning. All right, it's the next day and it's time to see the car. Good evening, ladies and well, there's no ladies, just two gentlemen here. We got Martin and we got Gentian. And what we're doing to the car, so first step was to paint correct the car, which Nick did a good amount of it. Still hasn't gotten all the way done, but he did the parts that we need to be done, which is the hood, bumper, fenders, okay? So what we're doing is we are PPFing the car. And what PPF means is paint protection film. And I'm gonna show you guys the material in just a second so you guys can see what it looks like. So we're gonna be doing the entire front bumper, the headlights, the entire hood, the fenders, and this part back here. So probably up to right here and up to right here because, you know, the tires are gonna be chucking rocks everywhere. So the first thing they're doing is decontaminating the paint using clay bar, okay? Basically, I don't know what basically it means, but that's just what they told me to say, okay? I'm just a guy with a camera that films, okay? I don't know what they're exactly doing, but I'm pretty sure this step needs to happen before you PPF a car, okay? And they also wrapped, you know, the wheels and tires, just so when they're PPFing it, the dirt from the wheels or tires doesn't get on the PPF. So we're gonna call Nick and yell at him because he's not at work. Literally, these poor guys are working their ass off and he's at home playing Forza. And he's not even answering. So here's the PPF. It's Expel, which I was told is probably the best brand out there. All day. Right? All day. So there's Avery, there's a bunch of other random ones, and this is Expel. So here's what PPF is, okay? It's like a clear wrap almost. And it basically protects your paint. Here's a better look at it. Well, that's not it. Where is it? Here, right there. So you can barely see it, obviously, because that's, you know, the whole point. And I'm gonna get out of your way. I'll let you do what you gotta do. And I wanna say one thing. A lot of people think they can wrap their car and it's gonna protect the paint from rock chips. That's not gonna happen. No, it won't.
I mean, to a certain extent.
No, it won't.
Okay, but it's a thin layer.
It's a very thin layer but a rock can penetrate.
If you want to like fully protect it.
But can a rock penetrate through a wrap?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so it doesn't protect your paint. Anyways.
To a certain extent, yeah.
To a certain extent, I guess it'll paint, yeah, I guess, I don't know. But it doesn't really. You need PPF, and that's why we're putting that on here. And also, I'm never gonna wrap the car regardless, but we're gonna get some Expel on here. And the coolest part is Martin went and got it cut out. So you don't really gotta do any cutting.
So I hand cut it.
You always got it,
My bad.
I love you.
I hand cut it.
Oh, you hand cut it? Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm sure.
look at that.
So anyways, here is the Expel like I just showed you guys, and look at the cutout around the, you know, little snake that's on the car, obviously, because we're not gonna PPF. Oh, is it a cobra? Okay. Well, I guess it's not a snake, it's a cobra.
Anything else, Gentian?
But anyways, do you want to vlog for me? Go ahead. You want to hold
I
it?
mean, I'll do better.
I mean, go ahead.
It's okay.
No, just take the camera.
it's okay.
Oh, okay. All right. So we're gonna do the fender first. So again, he got it super wet, cleaned it, got it wet again, and now you guys, I'll just stay out of your way. Anything else you want to say to the camera? Yeah? No? You good? Okay. All right, they're laying it. Ooh. This is gnarly. Just kidding. Do you eventually have to like at least do some sort of cutting? No, and not at all? So pre-cuts, you never got to cut? So as you see, the PPF is going around the Cobra. So the next step after you align the PPF and, you know, make it sit right, you tight down the corners, which is tack down, I'm sorry. What did I say? You know, you should do it. No, go ahead.
No, man, go, bro.
Anyways.
You want to PPF it?
No. We'll switch positions. Anyways, so right now, well, you got to tell us what you're going to do next.
All right, first you tag down the corners and align everything. So we started over there with the Cobra. And right here you just line all the edges. And then after that, you can make sure everything is like flattened out and you can start squeegeeing.
So now they're squeegeeing out all the water and then you're pretty much done. And it takes about 1 to 2 days to cure. So you don't really want to be driving your car. You kind of want to just leave it parked up. You don't want it to be in the cold or in the heat. You kind of just want it at room temperature. So the other side is getting done now, and you guys get the picture. I mean, this is gonna get repeated on the hood, the front bumper, the rear fenders, and yeah. So Martin is laying one of the last pieces.
The headlights.
Oh, these are the headlights?
These are the headlights.
I like how the headlights are like tucked in, like in there.
I like how the headlights are protected now.
Yeah, exactly. Because believe it or not, if you keep hitting bugs, eventually it's just gonna like be smeared all over your paint, and then it'll be
acid in there, bro. The bugs,
yeah.
Bugs can be like acidic and bad for your paint.
Yeah, it literally will destroy your paint, by the way.
PPF's like one of the best pieces of mine, bro. One of my friends got a 01, and he PPF'd the whole thing. He didn't floor it until he got all PPF.
Yeah.
He got all PPF'd and went nuts.
Yeah, like you need that. Obviously, I didn't do the entire car, but we did places where it has a high risk of getting rock chips, you know, hood, fenders. I mean, we pretty much did, I would say about, I mean, dude, the only thing we really aren't doing are the doors and the back, well, like the back bumper and then the roof. Like back here, we're doing it, like I said. So we're doing about almost 55% of their car. I know a lot of people out there don't PPF their car because it's so expensive, but I promise you guys, it will literally save your paint. We're also PPFing the little fake fog light. That's what, isn't it usually orange?
Yeah, the bulb's orange, but
the bulbs
is clear.
Yeah, so we're PPFing that as well because, you know, you could get rock chips there or
Don't want
little bugs. Also, PPFing your car will make it very easy to clean. You know, literally super easy. Like right now, let's say it gets dusty here, I could literally wipe it right away to clean it. Where if you do that on paint, it'll literally scratch it because those little dust particles are literally little rocks, and it would literally destroy your paint and give you a bunch of swirls. Where if it's PPF'd, you kind of just, you know, wipe it. So it definitely makes cleaning a lot easier.
And also, PPF is self-healing, so if you scratch it, you can take like even a metal wire brush and just scratch it, and as soon as it sees heat, it'll just go away.
Heat like the sun.
Yeah, like
for
sun,
example.
yeah, the sun. If the sun just beams on it, it'll go away.
All right, guys, so the PPF is getting wrapped up. It is just about done, and so is this video. So let me know what you guys think of the PPF, even though it was kind of hard to see it because obviously you're not supposed to see it. It's very clear, and you know, it's supposed to just protect your car, and it's not supposed to be visible. But anyways, shout out to Motor City Whips for getting this done. Shout out to Martin, shout out to Gentian for, you know, installing it. So I'm gonna let you guys go now. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys on the next video where we got another mod coming to the GT500. It's never gonna stop. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.